Thien all by himself, all by himself. Oh, and again. Thien having a match-winning performance. That was unbelievable. Our boy Thien. He is Ronaldo today. He is Messi. Brekkie is served, and it is a beautiful omelette. Typically it comes with 4 slices of bread, but as you can see, the bread it's milk bread. It's really soft and tasty, but it's pretty damn thick, so 4 pieces is excessive. A little salad, you know, a bit of salt on top, a bit of chili sauce on the bread, and yeah, good to go. Good morning. Just picking up from last night. I just had a good dinner and a couple of drinks. Oh yeah, yeah.
Happy.
Vietnam ơi! Cố lên! Việt Nam! Buồn! Buồn không? La 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 la.
Yes.
La 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 la.
And the drinks were extremely strong, so I went to sleep like a baby. So this coffee shop here, it's like basically set into the cliff. There's so many of these little spots opening up. It's gorgeous. Look at that. You can sit out here, enjoy a nice coffee. Look at this. So a month ago, these were all under construction, or almost done. And there's another guest house just here that I swear there was nothing there. Like, this was essentially just a hole in the ground. And now it looks like we've got these beautiful rooms, a nice swimming pool in like just over 5 weeks. So as you can see, you can just go on a bike ride. Like, I'm on a motorbike, but to be honest, it'd probably be way more fun either walking or just on a bicycle. You could spend like a couple of days, I think, walking around these roads. Again, another perfect example here. Like, we'll go right. This is, again, a new road. Look at this. This is literally new. That's unbelievable. So the last time I was here, it became a dead end. And there was a dog, but this one dog scared the living out of me. It was like a bull mastiff crossed with like a demon, and it had me in its sights. It looked hungry, and it had to be at least 70 kilos, maybe 80 kilo dog. And it came at me. I stood tall, yelled, screamed, waved my arms, and it did take off. But boy, oh boy, I thought, if we get into this, this dog was that big and that violent. I'm not gonna come out unscathed, not at all, not even close.
Well, this week in Mai Chau, there was a massive football tournament on, and my friend Thien, well, his team had a really good chance of winning.
I'm gonna go for a better vantage point. I don't want to miss a goal, but I do want to get a better spot. We've got to go through this bush. Okay, this is what it's about here. I just feel like Mai Chau's been on top here for a good 10 minutes. Still 0-0, but we just don't want to concede a goal. Shot. Oh. Keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it. Yeah. Throw in there. Yay! We've got Thien lurking out right now. One touch, one touch. Yay! He finally got it. He finally got it. Thien all by himself, all by himself. Oh, and again. Oh! Thien having a match-winning performance. That is unbelievable. Our boy Thien. He is Ronaldo today. He is Messi. He is the man. We got the hat trick for Thien. Oh, he almost gave us a series.
So a few days later, the Mai Chau team was in the grand final. I didn't have my GoPro, so I did have to use my phone, but this was pretty awesome. It came down to a penalty shootout, and this is where we catch up.
This is the last shot in regulation. This is for the win. The scenes! The scenes! Oh, come on! Look at this. Oh, it's so good.
Sắp đặt chức vô địch trong giải bóng đá thanh niên nông dân năm 2024. Xin quý vị cho một tràng pháo tay thật lớn.
The second you finish your shot of rice wine, it's refilled instantly. I don't know how, but someone refills it. Up to number 7 or 8. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on!
Very good, very good.
I'm so drunk on rice wine. Oh my god.
Show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Honey, it's way past time. How expensive do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby? Show me your soul. And honey, I'll show you